Agenda item to be discussed. This is on preliminary discussion proposal on expansion. You have three options. One is to buy out an existing company who is a low cost airliner which is available for sale, or go for a new aircraft or go for a lease. So CFO, can you give the alternatives?
So just to build on further, we've got three alternatives. We can look at an existing company, which is a low-cost airline and recently up for sale. The second option is that we can always go for new aircrafts. I mean, that's also a choice. And ultimately, we also have a third choice, which we can lease the aircrafts as against going for any buyouts.
Positive for the company, but have we done any basic work in terms of what costs it would incur in all three options from 3 to 5 years from now, and when it will result into what profits?
The last option. So within the limits we can lease aircrafts. So if we are planning for one or two, so we need a special permission to increase the budget or plan for the coming period.
Sure.
So
Analysis trade-off is done, first of all, of going for three options. Second question is the proposal for
So
expansion.
could you repeat your first question?
First question is out of the three options, time and cost benefit analysis. Each option gives me this much time, this much cost trade-off.
Right.
And the expansion, what markets, whether how the competition is, this investment is really going to yield the return on
Doing
capital.
some analysis and survey with our consultants, and I have certain data to share with you. We've done extremely well on our NPS, which is our surveys on customer satisfaction, which is why we are a premier airline. As you know, the skies are opening out across on global, due to globalization. We have had a recent situation where one of our competitions has nosedived. So there is ample opportunity, and if we don't capitalize right now on the goodwill that we have created, we may perhaps actually lose out to some other competitor who may take crowds. I have
the stage that we are in at this point in time in our business, and in terms of a growing company, I think it's a very exciting time from an HR perspective also. The people who have been with us from the beginning, who have helped in building a successful organization, are definitely looking forward to the organization growing at a even more scorching pace, and their contribution and their opportunities for growth as the organization grows.
How much impact does it have on our operating model, on our baselines, on our revenues and everything else put together? And also consider from a brand perspective, once we have all this information available to us, then probably we'll be in a situation to kind of come to a conclusion which way we should.
One of the agenda items which requires board approval for sanction of 15 crores on capex to buy a Swiss-made machine as a replacement for a running machine which has been producing around 70 to 80 bottles per minute, and we have our operations manager whom we had done vendor evaluation.
So as you would note from the agenda, we're looking for sanctioning of 15 crores as a capital expenditure to buy the Swiss make machine which we're talking about here. I want to call out our present capacity with the machine that we have is about 100 bottles per minute. By allowing us to buy this new machine.
So what are those assets we are planning to do? What are the documents are related to that? Has been discussed with the bank?
So at the moment what we have is we have the company
We have
workshop land.
spoken through our dealers about what the competition is doing. Now, interestingly, we are ahead of the curve when it comes to the competition. What we realized is we have very good demand. While we do appreciate there's
Mostly
still
machine is
competition.
much better, and we are expected to save 25% by way of productivity, so the cost will come down.
Okay.
So, I'm sure there is some due diligence which has already been done, and if you could help us understand those numbers. What is the inventory turn times that we have? Because, it seems that there is a big demand and
Team
this
will
survey which
gear
is
up
done.
to handle the bigger supply. And the third would be operations team
yeah, how you would be handling. So can you go into
Which
details,
we have
please?
accepted. And as per our existing line of credit, it is also an immovable property in terms of the land, of the existing, the plant, which is already provided enough leeway for us to lend.
All that detailed discussion, thank you so much for asking these questions, and I'm glad that we had done study of the market in advance, and we had the finance team also prepare pretty well for this proposal. So should we check if we are ready to vote for it, and do we agree that we would need to sanction the 15 crores for the new plant, new machinery?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much, and this motion seems